700 baht for a haircut. It is a little pricey, but we are in a fancy mall. I usually get mine for about 500 max. I won't pay more than that. I have paid 300, 400, so this is my go-to here. I'm gonna come get a little coffee. Better than Starbucks. Less expensive. These are the places that I'm looking for. Although this is just for facials. God, I wish I knew how to use this gimbal. I know there's ways to move it smoother than how I am now. So around this side. You see some fit ass people here, guys. People in Phuket are fit. I did record a 20-minute video already on my Go Ultra, my new camera, the 360. So once I figure out how to upload that to YouTube, I'll do that. Highlight, trim. Rainy day out here in Phuket. Never going back to Bangkok, guys. Once you meet Phuket, you'd never want to deal with Bangkok anymore, even if you have to pay extra for your flight to get here. Two sides to the mall. That's where we started, and that's where my Go Ultra video is, from that side. And now I'm taking you guys to this side over here. Highlight.